Giuliano Noci is Professor of Economics at Politecnico di Milano, joins us from Milan now. Thank you very much for sticking around, and just want to get your reaction to these GDP figures, 0.3% in the second quarter.
Well, it means three things for me. First of all, that the Italian industrial system is quite different from the political one. I mean, at least even if the data are very slow, we have a small growth of the GDP. A second issue is that this growth is not enough, even if it matches a median forecast. It's not enough because we come from a decade of sluggish growth, very below with respect to the other countries. A third element, and I totally agree with the reporter in Rome, is that this growth is the result of a system with a two-speed system. We have companies which are very competitive and are exporting a lot. 2 days ago we had a picture of data concerning the exports in the first semesters, and it was like the German one. Exports in Italy grew by 17% with respect to the previous year. But unfortunately, industrial output unexpectedly declined. It declined about 0.6%, and above all, as the reporter said, we had the incredible decline in consumer goods. This means that the Italian market does not work at all, and those small companies who simply address the Italian market are in trouble. So again, we need to do something fast for them.
Okay, like what? I mean, it's the ultimate dilemma that Italy is facing, many countries around the Eurozone are facing. How do you boost growth and at the same time tackle your deficit, restore market confidence? What do they need to do to make the economy more competitive in terms of labour reform, make it easier for businesses, cutting bureaucracy? Just talk to me a little bit about that.
Yeah. Well, first of all, we have a matter of setting up clear industrial policies. We need to address all our efforts toward the industries, the excellent industries we have. Second, a clear focalization of the labor market. We did not have, let me say, we had over the last 10 years a decline in productivity. We need to increase productivity. How? By modifying labor law. Third, liberalization. The issue of liberalization concerning utilities, concerning many other service and consultancy markets are very important. A fourth topic is Italy needs to invest in research and in university. I do not see any country which can grow in the future if it does not invest in the university and in the research system. I mean, unfortunately, the decision of our government in the last 2 years was exactly the opposite. And fifth element is bureaucracy. It's very hard to run business, to open up new branches, to enlarge plants in Italy. This does not allow Italian companies to grow, and above all, this does not allow foreign investments to come in. This is just a part of the very clear priorities that we need to address. But being clear is not enough. We need to do.
Very nicely described. Thank you very much indeed. Very good to get your analysis. Giuliano Noci in Milan.